Shearex's TEC series washer is a wedge locking washer that prevents joints from loosening due to vibration. TEC series uses tension rather than friction to keep the joint secure. The washer is seated onto the bolt or nut and base material. Since the angle of the TEC series cam is greater than the angle of the thread of the bolt cannot override the wedge when vibration occurs as the bolt attempts to come loose. TEC series washers are reusable, can be used in different ways, and are used in a variety of industries, including renewable energy, automotive, heavy truck, and construction and agricultural equipment. It's simple. It's science. That's why we say, torque it and forget it.